So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 8 of chapter number 20, that is exponents and powers of class 8. Okay. Now, in this part, in this chapter up till now, we have learned about laws of exponents, we have learned about powers, base. Okay. Then in the previous period, we have learned how to express big number in standard form, how to express small numbers in standard form by making use of power of 10. Okay. Now, in this part, we are going to learn how to convert the power. Okay, for example, now here the number is given as 83.29 into 10 raised to 2. Now suppose in some case we want to change these powers as per our requirement. Okay, now here suppose if it is given that convert it as or write this number in terms of power of 10 as a 10 raised to 5, then what should be done? Okay, so let us see it one by one. So before solving this example, let us revise this rule. Okay, already we have seen this rule in the previous period. What is the rule? Whenever the decimal, if it moves to right, the power of 10 it decreases. Okay, I'm just mentioning it here with a different color. What does it indicate? Power of 10. Okay, so whenever the decimal it moves to right, the power of 10 it goes on decreasing. And suppose the decimal if it moves to left, then the power of 10 it goes on increasing. In other words, we can say that if you want to increase the power of 10, we have to move the decimal to the left. If you want to decrease the power of 10, we have to move the decimal to the right. Okay, now using this rule, let us solve this example. Now here it is given as 83.29 into 10 raised to 2. It is 10 to the power 2. Now we want to write this number as a 10 raised to 5. So this example, let us solve it a little bit detailed. Okay, now suppose if I move this decimal one digit to the right, okay, so what will happen? It will become 832.9 into 10 raised to 1. Okay, so what I have done, power was 2, it is decreased, and when the power is decreasing, decimal goes to right. Okay, now if I move it more one digit to the right, this power will become, it will become 8329. Now decimal is moving to the right, so what should happen? The power should decrease, so it will simply become, now there will be no 10. Okay, so I'm writing it as it is, I'm keeping it as it is it clear? Now what I have to do, if now at the end of the number is there, decimal is here, if nowhere the number is there, the decimal is, if no decimal is present, then it means that it is present at the end of the number. Okay, now I want to express this number, I want to increase this power more. Okay, then how to increase it? Okay, so what is the rule? If you want to increase the power, the decimal should go to the left. Okay, so now let us move this decimal to the left. I'm writing that one here. Now our original number was, let me write with a different color. Our original number was 83.29 into 10 raised to 2. Okay, now I want to increase this power, I want to make it 5. So if I move one digit to the left, this number will increase by 1. So in next step, what you will get, 8.329 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, again if I move one digit to the left, okay, suppose if I bring this decimal here, then what will happen now? It will become 8329. Now nowhere decimal is means here. Now before this decimal, if no digit is there, we can write there 0. But now as we have moved this decimal one digit to the left, so this power will become now 10 raised to 4. Okay, I want it as 10 raised to 5. Okay, so what I will do now, I will move this decimal again one digit to the left. So what you will get now, 08329. Again, before this decimal, no digit is there or no number is there. So we can write here 0. Now this will become, this 10 raised to 4 will become 10 raised to 5. Okay, so what we have done, our original number was 83.29, decimal was present here, power was 10 raised to 2. Okay, we have moved this, we have moved this decimal 3 digits to make it 10 raised to 5 to increase the power. Okay, so originally it was here, then sorry here, so 1 2 3, so this is our answer. Okay, so what we are doing, when we are moving the decimals either to the right, the power goes on decreasing. If you are moving it to the left, the power goes on increasing. Here you can see it. Okay, now let us solve some examples based on this concept. Okay, I'm writing here our final answer. So our answer is 0.08329. Now let us solve some more examples based on this concept. Okay, now here it is given as 2.03 into 10 raised to 5. We want to write it with the power 10 raised to 7. So the power is going on increasing. So where the decimal should go, increase means our decimal should move to the left. Okay, so now this decimal we have to move how many digits to the left? So we are increasing the power by 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so by 2 we are increasing, so 2 digit it should go to the left. So our answer should be, now our original number is 203. Here our decimal was present, so one second digit is not there, means we have to write here 0. So what will be our answer? 0.023 into 10 raised to 7. Okay, now let us consider our next example. Now here we have 97.625 into 10 raised to 4. We want to write it as 10 raised to 2. So what we are doing, we are decreasing the power. Okay, now whenever we are decreasing the power, decimal will move to, yes, decreasing power means decimal will move to right. Okay, so how many digits I have to move this decimal? 1 2. So what should be the answer? 9762.5. Okay, now what will be the power? 10 raised to 2. Okay, consider one more example. Now here we have it as 2.05 into 10 raised to minus 3. We have to write that number in terms of power of 4. Okay, so now how many digits, how many numbers we are increasing? Okay, so minus 3 to 0 means 3 number, that one, and then up to 4 means 7 digits. Okay, 7 numbers we are increasing. Okay, now when we are increasing the power, where this decimal should go, it should go to the left. Okay, not right, it should go to the left. Remember rule, when the power is increasing, decimal will move to left. When the power is decreasing, decimal will move to right. Okay, so here the power is increasing. Okay, so the decimal will move to left. Okay, now our original number is 205. Okay, now how many digits it should move to left? So 7 digits. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so let us count it once again. Our decimal was present here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so we have to put the decimal over here. Is it clear? So now what is our answer? 0.5 zeros and then, sorry, 6 zeros and then 205 into 10 raised to 4. So here what we have done, we have increased the power, so decimal moved to left. When we are decreasing the power, the decimal is moving to the right. Okay, let us solve one more example. Now here in this example you can see that we have 7 into 10 raised to 2 and we want to decrease its power. Okay, decreasing the power means what will do? We will move the decimal to the right. Okay, so now 7 into 10 raised to 2. If you want to go up to minus 3 means how many digits we have to move? In all 5 digits we have to move to the right. So our answer should be, now decimal was present here. Okay, now further no more digits are there, so we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what is our answer? That is 70,000 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so just take care of this one. Okay, if you people have understood this concept, then it will be easy for us to solve our remaining examples. Okay, now let us solve one example word problem. Now it is given as mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 raised to 24 kg and mass of Jupiter is 1.90 into 10 raised to 27 kg. What is the total mass of the two? Okay, so first let us write the given things. Now what is given? Mass of earth 5.97 into 10 raised to 24, then mass of Jupiter 1.90 into 10 raised to 27. If you look at these powers, this one is bigger. Okay, don't compare these numbers directly because powers are there. Okay, now if you want to find the total mass, condition is that these both numbers should have same power of 10. Okay, to make it same, either you can increase this one or decrease this one. Okay, depends on you. It is better to decrease this one now. Now if you will decrease the power, okay, the decimal will move to right. Okay, so what you have to do now, this 1.90, I want to make this 27 as a 24, means I am increasing or decreasing the power. I am decreasing the power by how much? By 3. So 3 digits I have to move this decimal to the right. Okay, so our number will become 190 was there. Now where the decimal will move, it was present here, so 1, 2, the third digit is not there, so it will become 0 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Okay, now we have this number also in terms of 10 raised to 24, 10 raised to 24. Now we can easily find the total mass. So therefore total mass is 5.97 into 10 raised to 24, that is mass of earth, plus 1900 into 10 raised to 24. Now both are present in kg, so we have written it at last. Now here also 10 raised to 24, 10 raised to 24, so we'll write it out of the bracket and we'll add these two numbers directly. Okay, so in next step what you will get, 5.97 plus 1900 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Okay, when you add both these numbers, what do you get? Okay, so our answer is 1905.97 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Hope you all must have understood up till here. Thank you. Have a nice day.